Meet the new DCE180 DEWALT 20V Max plastic tubing cutter, the ultimate tool for your cutting needs. With a 2-inch cut capacity, this powerful tool effortlessly slices through Schedule 40 and Schedule 80 PVC, PEX Type A and B, CPVC, ABS, and other common types of plastic materials. The innovative V-shaped cutting blade and pipe holder ensure precise cuts as close to 90 degrees as possible every time. Engineered for longevity, the blade boasts an impressive lifespan of over 5,000 cuts when working in 1.5-inch Schedule 40 PVC. Designed with user comfort in mind, the D-handle design and flat-bottom surface with anchor points make stationary cutting a breeze. Whether you're on a construction site, tackling plumbing projects, or working on home improvements, the DCE180 is your go-to tool for fast, accurate, and reliable cuts when cutting plastic materials. Get your DCE180 DEWALT 20V Max plastic tubing cutter today and experience the cutting-edge performance you can trust. Visit DEWALT.com or your local retailer to learn more.